I'm Shariar, a proficient digital marketing consultant, over 5 years of experience. I have done so many projects for my client from different countries. My expert areas is search engine optimization, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and etc. Now I am working as a faculty member at Creative IT Institute, the leading IT institute in Bangladesh. I have already trained 1,000 plus students about marketing skills and others. With my marketing skills, grow your business, grow your business digitally, and put your brand in others in next level. So if you just watch and say some things like that,